Right everyone, so today on another video I'm going to show you a quick way to convert your PDF to Word document without using any additional software, just using your existing Microsoft Word software. Now let's get to it. Right now, I've got a PDF, so I'm going to right click and then there should be an option that says open with. And I'm going to click Microsoft Word. There should be an option in the drop down. So click on it and now it's converting the file. It might take a while and then but boom, there we go. That was quick, isn't it? There you go. Now I have the PDF has been converted. If you can see, you can edit it, I can type on it. I can do delete. I can do whatever I want. Now it is a customizable document. So it's so quick and so easy without the need of any additional softwares or any online tools, just using your existing Microsoft Word. Right now, once you've done with it, then you need to save it as a Word document. So click on File, click on Save, and then now you can select the file format. Make sure it's a Word document, .docx, and then click on Save. And then there we go. It has been saved. Easy peasy. Okay, now the second way to do it is by opening the Microsoft Word software or app. So now you open your Word and then there should be an icon that says open when you click on it, and then click on your Mac and it should open a file browser. You can look for your file. For example, this one, I'm going to open it. And then now it's converting the file straight away, and then within a few seconds, there we go, done. Right, now the method should work the same when you are on Windows. So if you can see here, I've got a PDF file, and then I'm gonna right click on it, and then there's an option that says open with, and I'm gonna select Word. And now it's opening the Word software. And then boom, there we go, done. Now my PDF is now converted into a Word document, so I can customize it. For example, I can edit it, I can delete things. So it will try its best to convert it. Sometimes there'll be a few mistakes, or sometimes it doesn't work. It depends on the original file. For in this case, it might be a few tweaks, minor editing required here and there, but yeah, there we go. Now I can go save it as a Word document. Now the same method, and I can change the save as type. In this case, Word document. I click save, and then there you go, done, easy peasy. Now similar to what I've done on Mac, so this time I can go to the Word software, Microsoft Word, in this case 2016. And I'm going to open Microsoft Word, and then at the bottom there should be an option to open other documents. I click on it. And then there's an icon that says browse, if you can see there. Click on it as you open a file browser, and I'm going to look for my files, my PDF file. Right, now there we go, I've got my PDF file. I'm going to click on it, I'm going to open it, click open. And then now it's converting the file. It depends on the size of the file, depends on the formatting. It might take a while.
A few moments later. More moments later.
And then boom, there we go. Done. You can save it, you can share it with your students, you can share it on Google Classroom or whatever. Now it is editable. Right, that's it for today. Just a quick one from me. Any questions, you can leave it down below. I'm going to share several other methods to convert things. In this case, just using Microsoft Word without any other additional software. I know out there several other methods, but this should be a quick one if you really need to do it. And if you can't install any other software, for example, on the school computer. Right, there we go. I hope this has been useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.